Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to get the design strength of concrete and steel in the limit state method of RCC design. So first we have to know the factor of safeties for concrete and steel in the limit state method. Factor of safety for concrete is 1.5 and the factor of safety for steel is 1.15. We have to take these values in the limit state method of RCC design. In actual compressive strength of concrete FCK we get for a size of cube 150. We get the FCK of the concrete for the this size 150 by 150 mm cube. But actual practice the size of concrete members is more, so there is a variation in compressive strength of cube to actual structural member. So we need to know one thing. FCK is proportional to the 1 by slenderness ratio. As the slenderness ratio increases, the FCK value decreases. If we get the FCK for 150 mm cube, but in actual the column and beam size is more than the cube size. So the beam and column slenderness ratio is more than that of the cube. So because of this effect, the FCK value for the actual structure is decreases than that of the cube. So FCK is also inversely proportional to the volume of the member. So here we get the FCK for the 150 by 150 volume, but in actual practice the beam and column sizes are more and volume is also more. So because of increase in volume, the FCK value of the actual structures may decrease because of increase in volume. So there is a loss in compressive strength in concrete compared to lab results because increase in volume and slenderness ratio. So because of increase in volume and slenderness ratio, there is a decrease in strength of the concrete. That loss is about 33% of the actual FCK. If we did for the test for M20 grade concrete by making cube, for actual cube we get the 20 Newton per mm square as FCK. But in actual structure there is a 33% loss in that 20 Newton per mm square. So the actual strength is getting by 1 minus 0.33 into FCK. So this 0.33 is deducted from 1 because 33% loss. So we get the actual strength as 0.67 FCK. This is also known as the actual working strength of that concrete. So design strength is how we get to design strength is equal to working stress by factor of safety. What is working stress we got here? 0.67 FCK by factor of safety for concrete is 1.5. So the resultant is 0.45 FCK as the design strength. In stress while deriving stress back parameters, we consider the design strength of concrete here directly 0.45 FCK. So why we consider this? So we get by this. So that's why we consider 0.45 FCK in stress back parameters derivation. And here how to get the design strength of steel. The working strength of steel is Fi, nothing but the yield strength of steel. So design strength is equal to working strength by factor of safety. So working strength is Fi and the factor of safety for the steel in limit state method is 1.15. So resultant design strength we get as 0.87 Fi. So thank you friends. ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే అండ్ నా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఏమన్నా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్స్ చేసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటే సజెస్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.